Hi everyone, for this question, we're going to find out what is your real number of x and y such that you are given an equation here. So your equation will be x over the complex number 2 minus I plus y over the complex 3 minus I equals to 2. So I will guess most of the students will trying to multiply with its conjugate and then get it to the standard form, then you compare real part and imaginary part, then you get your answer. This is commonly what we do. So I suggest you for another alternative working that we can do for equation. So the difference between this question is we are giving an equation here. The question in number one we are giving here is an expression. We cannot move our complex number left, right. When we get the equation here, we can move our complex number left, right. So I can multiply all these denominator to the right hand side. So I will multiply 2 minus I and 3 minus I. So if I don't want to do division, I can multiply it to the right hand side. So I will apply the concept of multiplication. So when I multiply this denominator, I will get off of this denominator. Then this x is only times with 3 minus I. Then this y is times with 2 minus I. And for the right hand side, you need to time with 2 minus I and 3 minus I. So I apply in multiplication method. Instead of doing conjugate one by one, get say all the denominator. So this is normally 99 students will do that directly without thinking. So I guess this will be easier. So what can we do if we just make sure we do the multiplication and we express it in standard form. So this part 3x minus 3i expand. Here we will have 3x minus xi. Then here we'll have 2y minus yi. And we expand for this right hand side, it will be 6. So negative 2i minus 3i, negative 5i. And then negative positive I square. Then rearrange, real part is 3x plus 2y. Imaginary part is negative x minus yi. And this one, real part, I square can be simplified, become real number, which is negative 1. And 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Then expand, negative 10i. Then we can start compare. Compare the real part, 3x plus 2y, I give you 10. Equation 1, compare the imaginary part, negative x, negative y equals to negative 10. So this simultaneous equation, we can do it elimination method where I can times 2. This is getting negative 2x minus negative 2y. Then this is negative 20, equation 3. So here we have similar term. When we have similar term here, we can apply elimination method on simultaneous, where equation 1 plus equation 3, then we can get x directly, which is negative 10. Then we can substitute x equals to negative 10 into either one equation. So I pick the most easier equation, which is equation 2, negative 10 minus y equals to negative 10. Therefore, y here will be negative 20, negative, simplify, we get positive 20. So this is our real number, negative 10, and y is 20. Alright, so that's all for these questions. And what can we review for this question? If, be careful here, if this x and y, it said it is a complex number, then it will be similar to our question in NILAM3, where x you need to substitute a plus bi, y also you need to substitute a plus bi, maybe y is the conjugate of it, then you need to substitute a minus bi. So just in case, read your question carefully. where x and y is real number, we can remain it as xy. But if xy is a complex number, you have to write in complex number form. Alright, so that is the difference between the question today and the question for NILAM 1. Alright, so do your revision. Thank you for watching.